Hello and good morning dear students. Welcome back to the online class, and in today's class we are starting a new chapter, that is chapter number 13, Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so Pythagoras theorem, I think so we have already done before also, okay, when we did trigonometrical ratios. If we haven't, then let's come back once again if you have forgot that. So in Pythagoras theorem, basically what we need a right angled triangle. Okay, we need a right angled triangle like this. So right angle triangle means one of the angle will be 90 degree. So here I have taken right angle triangle AOB, and this is my 90 degree. Okay, so the side opposite to 90 degree is always taken as hypotenuse, as we know. Opposite to 90 is AB, so this AB is hypotenuse, and this is my perpendicular, and then the remaining one is my base. So Pythagoras theorem states that in a right angle triangle, boys, the hypotenuse square is always equals to perpendicular square plus base square. So this is just a Pythagoras theorem. So please note down, in Pythagoras theorem, the hypotenuse square is always equals to perpendicular square plus base square. So with this formula, we are going to do exercise 13A. Okay, so please pause the video and now let's start the exercise. All right, boys, so let's start exercise 13A. Exercise 13A, question number 1. The question says, a ladder 13-meter long rests against a vertical wall. So imagine this is my vertical wall. AL is my vertical wall. Okay, AL is my vertical wall. This is my ladder, which is length is 13 meter, whose length is 13 meter. So this ladder rests in a vertical wall. Okay, also given to us is, if the foot of the ladder is 5 meters from the foot of the wall, if the foot of the ladder, that is B, is 5 meters away from foot of the wall, so if this distance is 5 meters, then we are asked to find this distance, AL. We need to find AL. Okay, boys, so we know that this is 90 degree, right? So hence it is a right angle triangle. Remember that if I need to use Pythagoras theorem, the triangle has to be a right angle triangle. Okay, so in this right angle triangle, by which theorem? By Pythagoras theorem, what can I write is 13 square is always equals to AL square plus 5 square. Hypotenuse square is equals to perpendicular square plus B square. So 13 square is 169. Bring this side, it becomes minus 25, which is equals to AL square. So this is 144, which is equals to AL square. So which means AL is equals to 144, boys. Root over 144 means 12. So hence AL is equals to 12 meter, which is the answer. So please pause the video, boys, and note it down properly. All right, boys, let's move ahead with question number 2. Your question says, a man goes 40 meter due north and then 50 meter due west. Imagine a man is at this point. Now he goes 40 meter due north and then 50 meter due west. I believe that's the question. A man is out here. Suppose a man is in the position A. He goes 40 meter north, towards north. Okay, I take it as B. 40 meter towards north and then 50 meter towards west. So west is this side. This is 50 meter. Let's take it as C. Okay, the question says, find his distance from the starting point. So he started from here and he finished at this point. So we need to find the distance from here to here, boys. So what do we see? What do we see? Do we see a right angle triangle at B? Obviously, we see a right angle triangle at B. So therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, this becomes hypotenuse, isn't it? So by Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse is AC. AC square is equals to 50 square plus 40 square. So AC square, is it? Yes. 50 square means 2500. 40 square means 1600. AC square is 4100, isn't it? 4100. So therefore AC will be root over 4100. Now I want you all to calculate this value. Okay, boys, root over 4100. Please calculate this. All right, boys, so this will be 64.03 meter. Okay, so please pause the video and note it down. Alright boys, let's move on to the next question, that is question number 3. In question number 3, a figure is given to us. In this figure, angle S is 90 degree, PQ is 10, QS is 6, RQ is 9. We are asked to find the length of PR. We don't know what is PR. So we'll divide this into two triangles. The first one will be PSQ. So that's why in triangle PSQ, in this triangle PSQ, focus only in this triangle boys. This is hypotenuse, this is base, this is perpendicular. So by Pythagoras theorem, I can write 10 square is equals to PS square plus 6 square. So 10 square is 100, 6 square, bring this side, minus 36, 100 minus 36, 64. 64 is a perfect square number, so hence PS is equals to 8 centimeter. So what is the length of PS? PS is 8 centimeter. I hope till here everyone is clear. So the moment I get PS is 8. And what is RS? RS is 9 plus 6. So 9 plus 6 is 15. So therefore now I'm getting a bigger triangle. So now in which triangle? Now in triangle PSR. PS and R. So take this triangle boys, PSR. PS we got, it is 8. SR is 9 plus 6, 15, and this is what we need to find, PR. So again, this is my hypotenuse, right? So therefore by Pythagoras theorem, I can write PR square is equals to 15 square plus 8 square, so which is 225 plus 64, which is 289, and 289 is a perfect square number, which is 17. So hence PR equals to 17 centimeter. I hope everything is clear to you boys. Please note it down properly. Okay. Alright boys, so with this you will do question number 4, question number 6 as homework. 4 and 6 are very similar to question number 3. You will take it as homework. Number 5 we don't need to do, and I straight away move to question number 7. Okay. In question number 7, the question says in triangle ABC, AB is equals to AC is equals to X. This is given to us. Okay, AB is equals to AC is equals to X. AB and AC are equal, which means it is an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle where two sides are equal. The third side BC is equals to 10. Okay, we are asked to find X. We need to find X where the area of this triangle is 60 centimeters square. Okay, so area of triangle is 60 centimeters square. Area of triangle ABC is 60 centimeter, right? Now the formula for area of a triangle is half into base into height. Half into base is 10, height is this height. Okay, this let me take it as H. Height, let me take it as H. Am I clear boys? So half into base of this triangle is 10. Height of this triangle is H, which equals to 60. So from here we'll calculate the value of H. Okay, 0 0 gets cancelled out, so H is equals to 6 into 2, cross multiply, 6 2s are 12 centimeter. So I got H equals to how much boys? 12 centimeter. So hence this height is nothing but 12 centimeter now. Also another thing I know that this height, since it is an isosceles triangle, this height will divide this base as 5 and 5. It is total 10, right? So it will be now 5 and 5 because this height will come exactly at the middle. Am I clear? So therefore now we get a right angle triangle. In right angled, which triangle? Any triangle you can take. I'll take A and I'll give this as D. ADC. ADC. You can make the figure also. ADC. AD is the height. Just now I got 12. AC is X and DC is 5 boys. I hope this is clear to you all. So again we can get we see a right angle triangle. So hence what we can do is use the Pythagoras theorem. So hence this is my hypotenuse. X square is equals to 12 square plus 5 square, isn't it boys? So x square equals to 144 plus 25, which means x square equals to 169, isn't it? 169. Yes, So therefore x is equal to 13, because 169 is a perfect square number. I hope this is clear to you all, boys. So please pause the video and note it down properly. All right. Okay, boys, I will keep this much for today. Please complete till number 7 and do these 2 homeworks and submit it to me by tomorrow. By the way, from this exercise, we'll only be doing the first exercise, that is 13A. All right, boys, take care. Bye-bye, and I'll see you on Monday.